Are you tired of being broke? Anytime you check your account balance, it's not encouraging at all. Bills are piling up, but you don't even know what to do to offset these bills. Well, you don't have to worry anymore. I have good news for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to turn your financial status around if you watch this video until the end. I want to help you make your first $100, your first $200, or even your first $2,000, even if you are a newbie online. A lot of people have implemented this proven strategy and it has generated a lot of money for them. The sweetest thing about this online making money opportunity is that you are not going to do any work. No investment is needed. This is free and this is available for all countries in the world. I know you are already anticipating to know more about this strategy, but before I proceed, welcome to Rachel's Money Guide, where we teach you how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so anytime I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be notified and you can start implementing what you've learned. Also, please like this video, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, feel free to leave a comment down below. Before I show you the website, you need to register for a PayPal account. So visit paypal.com and set up a free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the necessary information and sign in to your PayPal account. And if you don't want to use PayPal, you can set up your bank account online. Let me briefly show you proof of my earnings. As you can see, I made this amount of money directly on this platform. This is just to show that it is legitimate. As you can see, this is the payment that I received directly to my PayPal account. Without wasting much time, let's get into the business of the day. The platform that I'm going to share with you is Fiverr Affiliates. I know you guys have heard about Fiverr before, but you're not doing anything related to freelancing here. You're not registering as a freelancer. You're not selling any service on Fiverr. What I'm going to show you here is something special, easy, and legitimate. What you'll be doing is just referring people and earning daily commissions on the Fiverr platform. You can even do more on Fiverr. Promote this website and get people to sign up on different services. And you can earn fat commissions. You don't even need any experience to get started, and no selling of anything whatsoever. At the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus that will make you hit it big. So the question is, how much money can you earn from this website? This website has two basic commission plans, which are the Fiverr CPA and the Fiverr Hybrid. Now let's check out the Fiverr CPA commission plan. Here you can make around $15 up to $150. But how can you make 15 up to 150 in commissions? Well, you can make that amount when you refer and promote some specific category and services. For example, if you have $150 in commission from just one single payment, you can promote other high-paying Fiverr Pro services to make more money. An example of Fiverr Pro services that can give you more money is the Pro Logo Design service. Now, usually all of the Fiverr Pro services are a little bit expensive. Some are hundreds or even thousands of dollars, and that's why they are going to pay you a lot of commission over $150 when a sale is made through you. The sweetest thing about this is that even if your customer buys a $200 service or a $2,000 service, you can still earn a consistent $150. And in this video, if you keep watching, I'll show you a few strategies on how to reach a target audience, sell to them, and refer them to a lot of Fiverr Pro services where you can earn $150 consistently. Let's assume you refer people to other services for a $50 commission. You can refer other people to the whiteboard and animated explainer category. Now, when I click on this link, you can refer people to any of these services and earn a flat commission of $50. Say, for example, when you refer to them this service and they buy this service, you can still earn $50, which is insane. It doesn't matter what kind of services they buy. Even if it's $10 worth of Fiverr service, you can still earn $50, which is an incredible commission plan. You can promote categories like web design, mobile design, and e-commerce development and earn a flat commission of $50. When you check out categories like logo maker, web programming, website content, and proofreading, you can earn up to $40 commission and $30 commission easily. But I want to show you the smartest way to earn money on this Fiverr affiliate program. With this smartest way, you'll be able to earn over $150 in commission over and over again. Imagine if you can earn $150 daily by referring just one person in a day, which means you are going to earn over $4,500 in a month. And that's insane! Referring people to the Fiverr affiliate program is a much better way to make money on Fiverr than being a freelancer. Why? Because freelancing is time-consuming and stressful. But you won't be doing that here. All you need to do is refer people and earn. I hope you guys are gaining something from this video. If yes, kindly give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Now let's check out the second commission plan, which is the Fiverr Hybrid. The Fiverr Hybrid commission plan doesn't pay a one-time high commission. Instead, they are going to pay you just $10 on any service you refer, and they're going to share with you 10% of the revenue of the remaining 12 months. Now let me show you one example real quick. Let's assume you refer people to a service at this price. If your customer buys the service, you only get paid $10. But the best part of this commission plan is that you are going to enjoy 10% of all of the money that they spend for the rest of the year. So if you're ready to join the Fiverr affiliate program, just go ahead and click on this button. Come over to this page where it says Join Now, where it asks for your account type. You can choose Private. Enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your preferred username, and choose your country. The next step, choose your language, enter your phone number and your Skype account if you have, then click on the next button to complete the sign-up process. If you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to drive traffic and 3 ways to get referrals for Fiverr Pro services. So right here, we're going to check out the Fiverr Pro services. Now these are all the examples of the services that we can refer to and earn $150 in commission again and again. The best category of service that can easily be referred to make a sale is the graphics and design category, because it's hot in demand and many people are looking for this service on Fiverr. So when I click on the graphics and design category, it will take me to this page where we can see different packages. It doesn't matter if you sell an expensive or cheap package, you can still earn the same amount of commission. So it's better to refer them to cheaper packages. See, for example, this one, you can see the price they're offering. If you want to get a lot of referrals and make more money, I recommend this website called reddit.com. Reddit.com is just like a forum where a lot of people come to ask questions and make suggestions. And so you can easily get more referrals using the platform. Questions like who can design a professional website for me, who can design a business logo, etc. All you need to do here is just search this specific question on the Reddit search bar. For example, where to buy a logo. Just go ahead and reply to the question and refer them to the Fiverr Pro services. And you don't have to do any of the work. Just put a simple answer to that Reddit post. You can just repeat the process and make more money. Creating an account on Reddit is free and easy. And I don't see a lot of people talking about Reddit. And this is just an incredible opportunity for you to get many referrals and make a lot of money. This is Rachel's Money Guide. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below your thoughts. give this a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more updates.